Hi there. Okay, we got a new project. It's a 555 timer in a bistable mode. There's 2 buttons and 2 LED. Okay, when you switch, one goes on. When you switch the other, one goes off and the other one goes on. So now let's plug it in. Positive. So when I press this pin, okay, the LED 2 goes on, which is on pin number 2. The button is on pin 2. And the button here, it's on pin number 4, okay, which will trigger the output of pin 3 to lit up the LED, okay. So pin 4, it's a reset, practically. There we are. So pin 2, now when pin 2 trigger when pull low and set output high, the yellow, okay, there we are. Okay, so pin 4 reset, okay. So now we've done pin 2, pin 4, okay, with this one here. If you can see, it's reset. So obviously what happened when the pull low, reset output low, and the blue light goes on. See? There we are. I mean, I don't think there is much to explain. Let me explain how the... So practically, we have button 1 or button 2. We call it LED blue and LED yellow. Okay, so we've got a 10K resistor, which goes to VCC, and also here 10K resistor goes to VCC, and is connected to the pin 4, which is reset, and pin 2, which is a trigger button, okay? And there is a 10K resistors, sorry, 1K resistor from pin 3 to the LED. The LED, it's the positive leg. The positive longer leg goes to the VCC, and the longer leg to the VCC, and the shorter leg, as you can see here, goes to the resistor of 1K, and then to pin 3, which is the trigger. Okay, then you have LED, the blue one, which goes to pin 1 to the ground, and the positive, the longer leg, as you can see, okay, the longer leg goes to the resistor to this is a 220 ohm, okay, which is connected to the resistor, the trigger, the yellow LED. Okay, so you can see here, it's online with this other resistor here, and obviously it's connected to the cathode, okay, of the yellow LED. Okay, I think this is simpler. Let's try again. There we are. Blue on, yellow on, and so on. Now, the other things that you must remember, this is unlike the monostable not timing capacitor. I didn't put the capacitor, timing capacitor, because it's not automatic. Obviously, this is manual. You press the button, so it does not need time. Practically, the button will remember which one is which. Okay, now the other things that it's very important is the 555 timer. Just look at there is a notch here. Okay, that notch, it's the way it starts. It's pin 1, it's on this side. Pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4. Then down here, it's a pin 5, pin 6, pin 7, and the top one is pin 8. So when I say pin 1 to the ground and pin 8 to VCC, see? If you mistake these two, you will burn it. So well, they're not expensive, but I mean it's a necessary work. Not because I burned quite a lot. Okay, so this is very important. Remember the notch. There is a notch. Okay, and the notch means it's a direction where you have your first pin, pin 1, and then pin 8 on the other side. Okay, just to remember, as I said, because it's not automatic. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoy, and thank you very much.